You've underestimated everything I've been through. I think you can't imagine all the things that I can do. I see you on the pedestal you put yourself upon to. I'm a wild animal here to devour you.
So it's come to my attention that a lot of people don't know how to cook. Don't feel bad, neither do I. Here, on Cooking the Easy Way, I'll show you a couple life hacks that I use to make food fast. May not be the greatest, but it'll taste okay. If you find this video entertaining, then like, share, and subscribe. Now on with the show. On this episode, we're going to make the most important drink ever. Coffee. Why coffee? Because it's coffee. Alright, now the first thing to understand is when you're making coffee the easy way, it means using a Keurig. Now there's been times where, I used to make one of those 10-cup pots of coffee. Drink the first cup, it's good. We go back for the second cup, and, well, not so much. And of course, when you have a third and a fourth, and, however many you made, if you made the full pot or not, you sit there with a whole lot of bitter. Not good. How do I avoid this? Simple. Keurig. Take your pot, you put it in. No muss, no fuss. Just go with it. To make this a little fancier, I'm going to go with some hazelnut syrup. You can choose whatever flavor syrup you want. That's on you. That's just what I'm going with. Okay? Now, here comes the Keurig. Whichever model you have will work. If it's not a Keurig, single pod coffee machines are great if you find yourself looking for just one cup of coffee, or if you actually like it not tasting bitter more than it will. Just, coffee. Can't win them all. Now, with the Keurig, I'll double punch it sometimes just to make sure it flows nice. You don't have to do this. Hit the little strong button. Nope, don't really know what it does. I just go with it. But hey, the real challenge is waiting. That's right. Come on, coffee machine. Pour that liquid gold. For reasons I can't tell you, I need it in order to make code. So, let's make it going. Come on. Then we add some milk. See all the colors swirl around. Take out our lucky spoon. And what do you know? We got coffee. Victory. And now you too can make coffee. Good luck. And until next time, like, share, and subscribe.